Hey, how's it going? Jason Smith here with Smith Family Farm. I wanted to shoot you a quick video today. I'm actually out here in the greenhouse working. It's about the middle of January, or we're coming on towards the end of January, and I just wanted to kind of give you an idea of some of the stuff that you can grow through the winter. So I'm actually harvesting some salad mix for a restaurant today, for one of our restaurants, and so I would just kind of wanted to show you some of the stuff that we have here. This is a winter salad mix. It's actually it's a mustard green. It's got a little bit of kale in it. It's got mizuna in it. It's really spicy. It's got a really spicy mix to it. It's got a little bit of what else does it have in it? It's got some tatsoi in it, which is an Asian green. It's really good. Very hardy. This stuff is extremely hardy, and it can take some just brutally cold temperatures. And the good thing about it is I'm in this big greenhouse. So what happens is this greenhouse is unheated. We don't heat this greenhouse at all. So on nights that it gets down to 15, 20 degrees, the temperature in here stays a little bit warmer, but it doesn't get down to like 15 degrees in here. And so the other thing is this big greenhouse provides protection for these crops that we're growing in here. And here's another whole row of salad mix. I got actually 2 rows of it. And it's got, just tons of greens. You can grow these through the winter. So easy to grow here in Middle Tennessee. And the good thing about it is most people don't want to garden in the winter, in the dead of winter, because they just think it's too cold outside. But we have found that it's actually a lot more rewarding to grow through the winter because there's not near as much work to do. You don't have to worry about pests. You don't have to worry about drought. We don't have drought here in the wintertime. And then the other thing is you don't have to worry about the extreme heat, or the weeds. So there's no weeds in here. There's like some little tiny winter weeds that pop up, but nothing like what you're battling in the summertime whenever you're trying to do this stuff. And so anyway, I just kind of want to give you an update. I'm out here just harvesting some of this salad mix that we're going to use for restaurant deliveries this week. What we'll do is we harvest this, and then we will actually we'll triple wash it, and then we'll run it through a big salad spinner, and then we throw a fan on it and blow it off, and then it kind of just dries it off really good, and then we bag it up, and then when it was delivered to the restaurant, it's actually ready to eat. They don't have to do anything with it, so the chef can just take it, pull it out of the bag, and just throw it on the plate, or do whatever they want to do with it. So anyway, that's kind of how we do it. I want to give you a quick update, let you see some of this beautiful salad mix we got in here behind us, and some of just the wonderful stuff that we have growing in here. We love this greenhouse. You don't need a big greenhouse to do stuff like this. You can do it with just small little hoop houses that you can put on the ground. Very inexpensive stuff. This greenhouse obviously requires a ton of maintenance each year. So, but anyway, if you're a homesteader or small farmer, you don't need something like this. We just got really lucky with this greenhouse, so we put it up. So anyhow. The other thing I wanted to tell you is on February 22nd, we're actually going to be doing a workshop out here on our farm. It's on hands. It's hands-on workshop. It's going to be right here. We're going to do it for 3 hours, from 1 to 3, probably 3:30 on that Saturday, February 22nd. And what we're going to do is we're going to show people how to do this. We're going to show people how to grow greens like this, cool season crops. And it's very simple. Like I said, it's going to be hands-on. We're only going to do a handful of folks because we want to give each person some individual attention. And so the cost is $35. If you want to, click on my website below right here. I'm gonna post a link right here, or just copy that, put it in your browser, and then what you can do is you can click on events, and then you can register from that page for the class. Like I said, we're only going to do a limited number of seats because we really like to give our folks individual attention so we can answer your questions. We don't want people to walk away and not feel like they didn't get their money's worth. The other thing is we're all about simple techniques, inexpensive materials, but big results. So anyway, I just wanted to give you an update, let you know about our workshop, and if you have any questions on the link below, you can email me, and I hope you have a great day.